My name is Cassandra Tinoco. I'm a junior attending Arizona State University and majoring in psychology. Both of my parents came to the United States from Mexico 26 years ago looking for the American dream. In 2010, I was the first generation from the family to graduate from high school, the biggest educational achievement that had been yet reached by anyone in my family. My journey throughout my education has been full of uncertainties and difficulties, from not knowing the English language when starting school to now stressing financially. I wouldn't be standing here where I am if it wasn't for the loved ones standing behind me. My accomplishments are attributes of my hard work and my family's unconditional support. With my experiences, I know I have an opportunity to promote higher education to decrease the population of first-time generation students in the future.